Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, after seeing two gymnasts qualify for the Olympics, the Jamaica Amateur Gymnastics Association is putting plans in place to help more Jamaicans compete at the highest level. And one of the qualifiers, Danusha Francis, is hoping to see more done for the sport locally. More from Daniel Blake.
Jamaica got its first taste of representation in gymnastics at the Olympics when Tonian Williams competed in Rio in 2016. The country is expected to witness another Jamaican in action after Danusha Francis qualified for the 2020 Games in Tokyo, Japan. But with both gymnasts born overseas, President of the local association Nicole Grant-Brown is hoping to employ a top-class coach to help build local talent for the future.
What we are hoping to do is to hire a competent coach who can come to Jamaica and live in Jamaica for at least 3 years to work alongside our coaches. If we have that in the next couple of years, we are good. We will be able to, take the athletes from the next step where they need to be.
And that coach would be able to use the first state-of-the-art facility, which was opened in Kingston recently. But Francis thinks more will be needed around the country.
I think now we've got some better facilities. It's going to help to grow the sport even more in Jamaica. However, we could be looking at having facilities not only in Kingston but all around Jamaica, as obviously not everybody does live in Kingston. And I know certainly in lots of different countries there's lots of different facilities. So I think where you can't expect families to move just for training, it'll be really cool to see lots more facilities in the future all around the island.
However, Francis is remaining patient as she expects further growth in the sport.
We're building a momentum and we're improving every time we go out internationally. So if we can inspire from the top and then from the bottom the resources get put in place, I think as much as it seems like a slow pace, it's going to be fairly quick, and I think we're building momentum, and that's the main thing.
Francis says she will resume competition in February ahead of the start of the Olympic Games in July. Daniel Blake, TVJ Sports.